Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class we are going to discuss about the time series analysis, trends, cycles and forecasting techniques in quantitative geography. Okay, this is an important topic in UGC NET Geography paper 2. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let's start the class. First of all, what is time series analysis? This is a sequence of observations on a variable recorded at successive equally spaced points in time. In geography, used to study temporal change in rainfall, temperature, population, land use, river discharge, urbanization, and crop yield. Goal: describe past behavior, identify underlying structure and forecast future values. Core assumption: present and future values are statistically related to past values. Okay. Variable observed sequentially over discrete or continuous time interval. Key examples in geography: monsoon rainfall 1901 to 2024, decadal census, population growth, river discharge, flood series, NDVI, vegetation index, trends. 4 components of a time series: secular trend, long-term smooth persistent direction of movement, example rising temperature over decades; seasonal variation, regular periodic fluctuation within a year, example monsoon rainfall, tourist arrivals; cyclical variation, wave-like oscillations over a period longer than a year, example business or sunspot cycles; irregular and random, unpredictable erratic fluctuations, example floods, earthquakes and droughts. Why geographers use time series analysis? Climatology, detecting rainfall, temperature trends, climate change signals, drought periodicity. Hydrology, river discharge forecasting, flood frequency, reservoir inflow planning. Urban and population geography, population growth projection, urbanization rate, migration trend analysis. Agricultural geography, crop yield trends, productivity forecasting, impact of weather variability. Economic geography, regional industrial output, trade volume, regional disparity over time. Trend estimation and smoothing methods. Freehand curve methods, simplest, subjective, trend line drawn visually through plotted data. Semi-average method, species split into two halves, average of each half plotted and joined. Moving average method, successive average of fixed K periods, smooth short-term fluctuation. Least square method fits a mathematical trend line curve, minimizing square deviations, most objective and widely tested. Decomposition and seasonal index. Decomposition, that means separating a series into trend, seasonal, cyclical and irregular components of individual analysis. Ratio to moving average method, common method to isolate a seasonal index, divide actual values by centered moving average, then average by season and month. Autocorrelation, measures correlation between a series and its own lagged values, diagnoses seasonality and cycle length. Stochastic models and stationarity. A series is stationary if its mean, variance and autocorrelation remain constant over time. Most classical models require stationarity. Non-stationary series are made stationary by differencing. Tested using correlograms, ACF, PACF plots and unit root test, example Dickey and Fuller. Key models: Box-Jenkins family, ARP, autoregression, current value as function of past values, MAQ, moving average, current value as function of past random error, ARMA, P and Q combines AR and MA for stationary series, ARIMA, ARIMA, PDQ, ARIMA plus D, differencing for non-stationary series, most used in geographic forecasting, rainfall and research. Applications in Indian geographical studies. All India monsoon rainfall series 1871 to present, used to detect long-term trend, decadal variability and ENSO linked cycles. Census population time series 1901 to 2021, decadal growth rate trend analysis, projection of future population, logistic and exponential trend. Ganga and Brahmaputra disaster record, trend and flood frequency analysis for water resource and disaster planning. NDVI and land use time series, remote sensing, monitoring desertification, deforestation and agricultural intensification over decades. Merits and limitation. Merits: reveals long-term direction and periodic behavior objectivity, provides scientific basis for forecasting climate, population and hazards, helps separate genuine change for random and seasonal noise, supports planning, hazard mitigation and resource management. Limitations: assumes past patterns continue, unreliable during abrupt environmental climate shifts, requires long, continuous and reliable data series, often unavailable in developing regions. Cyclical components are hard to isolate precisely. Choice of model: additive S versus multiplicative, AR versus ARIMA, FX results. Okay, UGC NET key terms and quick recall. Secular trend, core idea, long run smooth direction of a series. Seasonal variation within a year repeating pattern. Cyclical variation, wave-like period is more than one per year. No fixed length. Moving average smoothing tool removes short-term fluctuation. Least square trend. YC is equal to A plus BX, minimizing summation Y minus YC whole square by 2 whole square. Autocorrelation. Correlation is series with its own length values. Stationarity, constant mean and variance over time. ARIMA, P, DQY, AR plus indicator differencing plus MA model. Time series analysis in geography is a statistical method to study how geographic variables change over successive time interval, decomposed into trend, seasonal, cyclical, and irregular components for analysis. Trend isolated using moving average for least square, seasonality via seasonal index. Modern stochastic models ARIMA enable rigorous forecasting. Widely applied in climatology, hydrology, population, agriculture geography in India. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.